Hello, I'm Lotachi and welcome back. Today's workout is a quick 10 minutes abdominal workout to help lose belly fat. So we're going to start off first with warm up, and the first is high knees. So we're going to do this 5 times on each side. That's a total of 10 times. And that's 4 and 5. We're going to move on to side reach. We're going to do 10 on each side, and that's a total of 20 times. And that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one, that's 10. So the structure of this workout is 40 seconds on and 10 seconds off. The first exercise is a standing alternate leg raises to toe touches. Now, if you cannot touch your toes, that's fine. Just touch to where your flexibility can allow you to. Now, you're going to start off with hands on your head and engage your core, concentrate, breathe in and out, and reach your toes. So ensure that you're not bending and you're maintaining a standing posture. Our next move is the standing elbow to knees, hands behind your head, and lift your right knee up as you twist to the right and then tap the floor. So while you're doing this exercise, ensure that you are engaging your core and concentrate as you breathe in and out. So we're going to repeat this exercise, but on the left side this time. So remember, engage your core and concentrate as you breathe in and out. The next move is the lateral leg raises. So raise both hands and extend one leg and one arm to the side as far as your flexibility can allow you to. And if you can, touch your legs. So engage your core while you're doing this and concentrate as you breathe in and out. So now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side, and if you want, you can put your hands behind your head. So remember, engage your core and concentrate as you breathe in and out. And that's round 1 done. So we're going to repeat these sets of exercises. You can stretch your arms, stretch anywhere you feel stiff. Now going back to the alternate standing leg raises to toe touches. Engage your core. Concentrate as you breathe in and out, and just stretch it to where your flexibility can allow you to. The benefits of these exercises are to sculpt and trim down your waist, increase core strength and stability, as well as work your hamstrings. And if you do these exercises consistently, you will begin to see a difference. So it's all about putting in the work, and then you start to see the results. The next is a standing elbow to knee, hands behind your head, and lift your right knee up as you twist to the right and then tap the floor. So remember to engage your core while you're doing this and concentrate as you breathe in and out. Now repeat the same thing on the left side. Remember, engage your core as you breathe in and out, concentrate. The last move is the lateral leg raises. Raise both hands up, or you could, place your hand behind your head. Extend one leg and one arm to the side as far as your flexibility can allow you to. And remember to engage your core while you're doing this. And finally, do the same thing on the other side. Remember, engage your core and concentrate as you breathe in and out. These exercises have helped me postpartum, and I can guarantee that you will see results if you are consistent. And we are done. Well done. We're gonna rest and then stretch. So the first stretch exercise is the forward arm raises. We're going to do this 5 times, and that's 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to do the same behind, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we're going to stretch our quads, find a wall, and then raise your legs. We're going to do this for about 10 seconds. Now extend that stretch. So now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Engage your core while you're doing this. So we'll do this for 10 seconds. Oh, that's my daughter. She was just checking if I was all right. So now extend that stretch for another 10 seconds. And finally, reach to your toes. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, your shoulders, your back. And it's okay if you're not able to stretch to touch your toes. Just stretch to where your flexibility can allow you to. And if you can, extend that to the floor and hang in there for a couple of seconds and think about the work that you've just done today, and well done. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.